It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 289. What are the values of m and n so that this function will have a point of inflection at 2, negative 12? So this function y has a point of inflection at this point, right? If we graph this function roughly, let's say here's x-axis, here's y-axis, and 2, negative 12, let's say this is negative 12. And here we have a point of inflection. And this is polynomial function, right? So it'll be like concave down, concave up. Roughly something like this, right? So this is our POI, point of inflection, right? At this point right here, y double prime has to be equal to 0, right? And also this 2, negative 12 is on the graph of y, right? So we're going to find the second derivative first. So y prime is equal to 3mx squared minus 2nx. Second derivative, 6mx minus 2n, right? So when x is equal to 2 and y is equal, well, we don't have to worry about y. When x is equal to 2, the second derivative must be equal to 0. At this point, second derivative is equal to 0. So set that is equal to 0. Oops. Set that is equal to, I'm sorry. I need a flag equal to 0. Okay, so 12m minus 2n is equal to 0, right? That's one equation we have. And also remember, this coordinate is on this curve, right? Curve of y, right? So when x is equal to 2, y must be equal to negative 12. So we're going to substitute 2 here, negative 12 for y. So negative 12 is equal to m times 2 cubed, that's 8m, minus n times 2 squared, minus 4n, plus 4, right? So negative 16 is equal to 8m minus 4n. It's all divisible by 4, right? Divided by 4, negative 4, divided by 4, 2m, divided by 4 minus n. So we have second equation. Negative 4 is equal to 2m minus n. Here, the first equation also divisible by 2. So 6m, just n, right? So we can say that n is equal to 6m. And we're going to substitute 6m for n right here. So negative 4 is equal to 2m minus 6m. So negative 4 is equal to negative 4m. Then m is equal to 1, right? So if m is equal to 1, what's n? N must be equal to 6, right? So m is equal to 1, n is equal to 6. So the answer must be A, right?